Alright, since it's finally cooled off a little bit outside and I've kind of neglected Otis here for several months, I'm just going to do some projects today. I don't know exactly what yet, but in the meantime, I did want to jump in the back here, which is essentially my workspace, because we haven't done anything on the inside besides giving it a deep clean on the surface to fix it up at all. So yeah, you can see this is where I'm just storing all of my stuff to work on Otis as we go. But here's what I wanted to show you. These are two swivel plates, number 1, number 2, and then I have these bases which were for the seats that are now missing here in the back. They were actually moved by the previous owner to the front just due to the condition of the original seats up there. So I don't want to put any more seats back here, so I do need to get rid of these, and was hoping to sell them or maybe trade for some original stuff. Or I would love to get a table that goes in the pedestal spot back there to have. Let's see, where is it? So right there's a little pedestal hole. So I would love to get like a hexagonal wood table. I'm going to end up taking all these wood pieces off and refinishing them so they look nice, and try to keep it roughly the same color. So table really doesn't need to match that or not. It'll probably end up getting refinished anyway if it's an original one. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at today. I'm not sure what we're going to do, but it feels great outside and Otis needs some love, so I'm going to do some work. Shout out Fizzy's Garage right there. Fizzy had made me these custom door locks, so I have them on both the front doors and then this side door as well, so pretty cool. Let me see if I can get the other one here. There we go. Alright, well, I will turn this back on once I figure out what we're going to do today.
1 minute later.
Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. I wanted to show you. This is some carpet I found from a company online that makes shag carpet still. I think this would be an awesome color combination to put back in here afterwards. It pretty much matches the seat well, matches the cream color that's in here. It's got everything, all the blues, all the creams. So yeah, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe we will finally just tear this carpet out today. The guy that had it before me smoked in here, and the carpet's disgusting, it's faded, is going to end up coming out anyway. And since I really don't have any part stuff to work on today, let's go ahead and just start taking this stuff out while we can and get it in the garbage. For my next project though, I do have the tie rod replacements and kingpins on order, so hopefully they'll be here this week, and our next video can be replacing those under for the suspension.